Welcome back to the Man Style Decree. Ever look in the mirror and feel your clothes are adding years to your appearance? That frustrating feeling often comes from one single pervasive mistake countless men over 40 make daily. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about fixing a fundamental error that sabotages your entire look. If you're ready to discover this mistake and learn the blueprint to fix it for good, prove your commitment to better style by hitting that subscribe button now. Let's begin. One, baggy polo shirts. That add bulk. Many men over 40 still wear overly loose polo shirts for the sake of comfort. In reality, baggy styles make the body appear larger, shorter, and give a sloppy impression. Oversized polos also lose their shape, making the face look older. The solution is to choose a slim-fit polo that's not too tight. Following the shoulder line and slightly tapering at the waist, solid colors like navy, olive, or burgundy offer a modern look without trying too hard. A well-fitted polo in quality cotton piqué will make you look fresh, sharp, and much younger. At 40 plus, small details like shoulder fit can transform your entire appearance. Two, wrinkled linen shirts worn carelessly. Linen shirts can be a stylish choice for mature men, but a major mistake is wearing them heavily wrinkled. Instead of looking relaxed, they come off as messy and aging. The key is controlling the wrinkles. Opt for a linen blend that retains a natural texture but doesn't crease too easily. When wearing it, neatly roll up the sleeves and pair it with slim-fit neutral chinos. This keeps the look light yet sophisticated. Add a simple leather watch for a mature but not old vibe. So, don't ditch linen, just learn to choose and care for it to look chic and fresh. Three, overly short-sleeve dress shirts. Another common mistake is wearing short-sleeve dress shirts. These give an outdated old office vibe and instantly age you, especially when paired with formal trousers. They look unstylish. A long-sleeve dress shirt in lightweight fabrics like cotton poplin or cotton linen. Roll the sleeves to the elbows for a casual yet polished look. Colors like white, light blue, or soft gray feel fresh and modern. Pair them with chinos or dark jeans for a perfect combo. It's time to say goodbye to those short-sleeve dress shirts. Four, untucked shirts that are too long. Untucked shirts can look relaxed, but many men choose ones that are too long, covering half the thigh. This results in a sloppy appearance that shortens the body. Pick a casual shirt with the right length falling at the middle of the pants zipper. Fabrics like Oxford cloth or Chambray work great for this casual style. A well-fitted untucked shirt makes the body look proportional and fresh. Pair it with slim-fit jeans or chinos for a modern result. Avoid worn-out shirts that have lost their shape, as they add an overly dad vibe. 5. Shiny polyester shirts that scream cheap. Nothing ages a man more than a shiny, cheap polyester shirt. The glossy effect not only looks dated, but also makes the face appear more tired. Instead of polyester, opt for quality cotton or tencel. With a soft drape, earth tones like camel, taupe, or dusty olive give a luxurious feel without trying too hard. With matte fabrics that absorb light, the face looks fresher and more modern. Ditch the shiny shirts and choose natural textures for an old money aesthetic. Six. The power of a crisp white Oxford. A crisp white Oxford shirt is one of the most powerful tools in a man's wardrobe after 40. Unlike flashy patterns or cheap fabrics, the Oxford cloth brings structure, durability, and timeless elegance. It's versatile equally at home with dark denim for casual evenings or paired with chinos for smart weekends. The button-down collar keeps it relaxed while still sharp. This shirt naturally frames the face and brightens your overall appearance, helping you look younger and more energetic. When properly fitted, it eliminates the sloppy vibe and instead communicates quiet confidence. Every man over 40 should own at least 2 well-pressed white Oxfords. Seven. Light blue dress shirt, youthful and versatile. If there's one shirt color that instantly adds freshness, it's light blue. This shade works wonders for men over 40 because it softens facial features while still looking professional. Unlike darker tones that can highlight wrinkles, light blue reflects a softer light, making you look younger. Pair it with navy chinos or beige trousers for a polished yet approachable style. Rolled sleeves can transition the look from business to weekend with ease. The key is to avoid baggy cuts and stick to slim but comfortable tailoring. This shirt belongs in every mature man's rotation. Eight. Chambray shirt. Relaxed but refined, a chambray shirt is an excellent way to achieve casual elegance without looking sloppy. Its subtle denim-like texture gives character, but unlike heavy denim, chambray is lighter and more breathable. Perfect for men over 40 who want to stay comfortable while still looking sharp. Pair it with slim khaki chinos or olive trousers for an effortless yet stylish weekend outfit. Roll the sleeves, leave it untucked, and you'll strike the balance. Between relaxed and refined, the fabric's matte finish avoids any shine that could age your look, making it a must-have for casual wardrobes. Nine. Sleeve precision, length and width, well fitting. Sleeves are a subtle detail that separates the stylish from the sloppy. Let's start with width. The sleeve should follow the natural taper of your arm. It should be roomy enough in the bicep. For comfortable movement, but trimmed down through the forearm so there is no excess flapping fabric. Next is length, which is crucial. The cuff of a long-sleeved shirt should end precisely at your wrist bone, the spot where your hand meets your arm. This allows the cuff to stay put when you move, and when wearing a jacket, lets about a quarter. To a half-inch of the shirt cuff show, this precision in the sleeves creates clean lines from your shoulder to your hand, contributing to an overall appearance that is sharp, polished, and impeccably put together. Ten, the collar's role. Framing your face, finally. Let's address the collar, the element that frames the most important feature you have, your face. An improperly sized collar, even on a well-fitting shirt, can ruin the entire look. When the top button is done, the ideal fit allows you to comfortably slide one or at most two fingers between the collar and your neck. It should feel snug, but not constricting. A collar that fits this way will stand up properly under its own structure, looking sharp and intentional even when worn unbuttoned. It provides a strong, confident base that draws people's attention. Upward, during a conversation, this detail completes the shirt, ensuring you project an image of polish and authority from every single angle. The tucking game. Clean lines, no bulk. A perfectly fitted shirt completely transforms the simple act of tucking it in. When there isn't a massive amount of excess fabric, you no longer have to fight with complicated folds or worry about that dreaded billowing over your belt line. A shirt with the correct torso dimensions tucks in cleanly and smoothly, creating a seamless visual transition from your upper body to your lower body. This has a powerful effect. It makes your legs look longer and your entire silhouette leaner and more streamlined. The goal is a sharp, unbroken line that enhances your height and posture. This polished detail is a hallmark of a man who understands that true style is found in the clean execution of simple things, proving that a great fit is the foundation of a sophisticated look. Fabric matters, the drape of quality. While fit is king, the fabric is the queen. A perfect fit is significantly enhanced by the quality of the material. Premium fabrics like high-quality cotton, linen, or modern blends like tencel have a superior drape, meaning they hang and move in a way that is much more flattering to your body. Cheaper, stiffer fabrics like polyester can create awkward angles and fight against the intended cut of the shirt, even if the fit is technically correct. Quality material works in harmony with a great fit, skimming your frame gracefully and feeling more comfortable against your skin. Investing in better fabrics is the next logical step after mastering fit, as it elevates the entire look and feel of your wardrobe, ensuring your shirts look just as good as they fit. The instant youth boost of visual transformation, the combined effect of a perfect fit. Great fabric and clean lines results in a powerful and immediate visual transformation. You will look younger. This isn't vanity. It's the science of visual perception. A proper fit makes you appear leaner and taller, which our brains associate with health and vitality. A crisp collar frames your jawline, making it look sharper. A structured shoulder line improves your perceived posture, making you look more energetic and capable. This is genuinely one of the fastest and most effective methods to shed visual years from your appearance without ever stepping foot in a gym. It is a strategic adjustment to your presentation that revitalizes your image and aligns your outward appearance with the energy and experience you feel on the inside. Projecting confidence and competence. Beyond the visual aesthetics, mastering the fit of your shirt fundamentally changes how you feel and consequently how you are perceived. When you are certain that you look your absolute best, you carry yourself with an unshakable air of confidence. This isn't arrogance. It is a quiet, powerful self-assurance. This confidence is palpable. In professional settings, you are perceived as more competent, detail-oriented, and authoritative. In social situations, you appear more put together and engaging. Your clothes stop being a distraction or a source of insecurity and instead become a silent testament to your high standards. This projection of competence and self-worth is perhaps the most significant benefit of all, as it positively influences every interaction you have. Your style decree. Take action today. So the final decree is a simple one, and it is a call to action. Knowledge is useless without implementation. I challenge you today to go into your closet and perform a style audit. Pull out your favorite shirt and your least favorite one. Hold them up and analyze them based on the principles we've discussed: the shoulder seam, the torso width, the sleeves, and the collar. Seeing the difference side by side will be a revelation. Your mission is to phase out the shirts that fail the test and intentionally build a collection that honors your frame. This is the moment where you stop passively wearing clothes and start actively building your personal style. It is the first and most important step to taking command of your image. By ditching the oversized shirt, you are choosing to present the best version of yourself every day. If this decree has resonated with you, solidify your commitment to timeless style. Subscribe to the Man's Style Decree and ring the bell to join our community of men mastering their image with intention. Have a style question? Leave it in the comments below. We read every one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.